Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to import your Azure Kubernetes cluster into ShapeBlock. So ShapeBlock is a SaaS which will convert your Kubernetes cluster instantly into a developer platform in like 5 minutes. So the prerequisite is you need to have an Azure cluster created already. I just now created mine, and you should be logged into that Azure cluster, meaning your kubeconfig should be pointing at the Azure cluster. So mine is pointed at the Azure cluster I created just now. And then you create a free account at ShapeBlock. Now let me log into the dashboard, and then you can see that I've already imported an AWS AKS cluster. Now I'm going to import an Azure cluster by clicking the import cluster button here. So let me call it Azure cluster 01. And then I'll have to paste the control plane URL, server URL here. So I can get that by running kubectl cluster info. This will point to the cluster URL over here. So I'll just copy that and then paste it here, and then I hit next. So it'll present me with an instruction to apply this YAML. This YAML contains the configuration and specification for ShapeBlock agent pod. It is an operator which will run in your Azure cluster and report metrics back to the SaaS. So let's go ahead and install that. Once you install that, it'll spin up the pod. It'll take about a minute for the pod to start. Once the pod is started, it'll start importing the cluster over here. You can see that the cluster got created successfully. Let us go ahead and refresh the page. We can see that the cluster nodes got imported successfully. Now you can go ahead and then create projects and applications in your cluster. Please go ahead, spin a cluster, give it a try, deploy your applications, and let me know how it goes. Thank you.